You came near and stood at the foot of the mountain, while the mountain burned with fire to the heart of heaven, wrapped in darkness, cloud, and gloom. Then the Lord spoke to you out of the midst of the fire, while I stood between the Lord and you at that time. For you were afraid because of the fire, and you did not go up into the mountain. And he declared to you his covenant which he commanded you to perform, that is, the 10 Commandments. And you shall remember the whole way that the Lord your God has led you these 40 years in the wilderness, that he might humble you, testing you to know what was in your heart, whether you would keep his commandments or not. Now therefore, if I have found favor in your sight, please show me now your ways, that I may know you, in order to find favor in your sight. And he humbled you and let you hunger and fed you with manna, which you did not know, nor did your fathers know, that he might make you know that man does not live by bread alone, but man lives by every word that comes from the mouth of the Lord.